Kiki, look at what you brought. Princesses are very valuable. What is it with you princesses and getting captured? Not a thing. Oh, princess, you're going to regret that. Okay, the Space Junk Galaxy. It says dos bros tacos. Dos bros, Tito, not uno bro. You're supposed to be out there selling tacos, not racing snails. Get your head out of the clouds, Tito. It's enough with your crazy schemes. Great. Then first thing in the morning, get in that truck and go sell some tacos. Can't get no better. That's it. I'm sorry, honey. Today's the day. Get Bowser Jr. Now. Tito! Hi, Tito. You better know what you're doing.
I'm going to finish with a joke. Oh, okie dokie. What wears green, competes with Mario, and wears an L on his head? Answer: a Koopa wearing an L on his head. Why is nobody laughing? We can edit that out later, right?